I'm self-sufficient, which means, sir, that I can survive on my own income. So any gifts or financial assistance from a man becomes a value addition, not a means of survival.
Arese, you went there. Feminism, you know, it's so interesting because we all know that feminism is such a hot topic in Nigeria, everywhere you go. And why was it important to touch on feminism and specifically this situation that Lara had found herself in?
Feminism is not man-hating. It is basically asking for equal access to opportunity. So if I go to school and Emeka Sef goes to school and we get the same grades, we should have access to the same jobs and money-making opportunities. Simple. Everything after that is your own brand of feminism. It doesn't mean you hate men, and I think that men need to also think about the amount of money that they spend on their female children's education and whether or not they would appreciate it if someone says, you're a woman, don't get this job because you're a woman, after you've invested so much in their own growth. I feel like when you flip it like that, you see it like in a better way.
Yeah, definitely.